Hello, my beautiful friends. So I have another unboxing to do. This is from Heartland, Scotland. Heartbox. It's a new box I'm getting. It's another Scottish box. So I've just taken off the packaging, which includes its international shipping from Scotland. So I ripped that off and I don't look at it because I don't want to know what's in it. So the little wee bookie is called Winter Warmers. And we will look at that at the end. So what is in here? All right. First we have lamb's wool mitten and the Islander tartan. I like them already because they're pretty, and they would go with my new coat that I got. I'm a coat person. There are people who are shoes people, and there are people who are coat people. I'm a coat people. Oh, they're like little mittens without thumbs, so I can wear these and play bagpipes. They're connected together, so that makes it a little bit hard. But look how cute. Look how cute they are. They're very soft. And they smell good, too. And they're very pretty. I'm going to put these in my coat. My new coat that I got. I have a lot of coats. That is very cool. And what is next? I have no idea what this is. But I like the little pouch. Oh, it's a hand warmer. Oh, that's a hand warmer gel thing. User manual. There's a user manual. I don't know what all you have to do. Oh, look, there you go. It's a hand warmer. And I imagine you just put it in your hands. This is another thing that will go in my sporran, because I often have to play in the winter, because people like bagpipes when it's cold. Which is great, unless you're playing bagpipes in the cold. So, already I'm loving this basket. We have oat cakes. These are very good. These are an acquired taste for Americans, because they're not very sweet. They kind of taste like stale crackers, American crackers, but they're really good with a cup of tea, and they're really, really good with jelly, what we call jelly or jam. So that's yummy. What else do we have in here? Oh, a cinnamon spice candle. Pink. Oh, it's a candle. Sniff it. That smells good. I like this box. What do we have here? Aw, we have Christmas cards. Holiday cards. Are they all the same? Maybe it might be different. But there's a Santa playing bagpipes, so you know I like them already. I don't know how to open this bag. Okay, we have Santa playing bagpipes. Oh, we have 3 of those. Oh, we have Highland Coo. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. We have 3 of those. So there are 6 altogether, 3 pipers, 3 Highland Coos, and then envelopes. Ooh, those are lovely. I think that might be everything in here. Yes, that is everything. So let us look at the wee bookie. So we had the hand warmer, and we have the mittens, which are beautiful. We have the cards, and we have the oat cakes, and we have the candle. And what does the wee bookie say? Winter warmers. We have Islander lamb's wool tartan mittens. They are super cute. There's a purse. How do I get the purse? Heartbox. Where do I buy that purse? I want that purse too to go with it. Sharer candle, cinnamon spice tin candle. These candles, I have some of these, some other candles made by this company, and they retain their sniffiness all the way to the end, which is great. Oat cakes, tartan reusable hand warmer, and Scottish Santa and Coo Christmas cards. Then there's a story about the Cailleach, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cailleach, which is the ancient guardian of winter, who then turns into Bridget, goddess Bridget in the spring. Oh, a recipe for traditional Cullen skink, which is delicious. For lunch today, I had Balmoral chicken, which is chicken with haggis in it. Very delicious. The Heartboxer of the month, so I'll read up about that. Then we have Word of the Month, which is Baltic. Then Celtic Classic in Pennsylvania. So that's a little shout out. It's where I met these folks and where I signed up for my box. And that's very exciting. And then we have Winter Song by Sir Walter Scott. I teach poetry, so I have that included on my syllabus. And then there is a QR code that I can scan. So, I am loving this box so far. This combined with my wee box. I mean, if only I could find a reason to go to Scotland every month. Alright, well, I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Thank you, Heartbox. Have a very happy Christmas. Bye-bye.